So let's see if we can get a little more data from near my place. If we're looking here at Vermont, and if we look at a radius within 25 miles of where I click here, this is close to where I live. And if we go, instead of just looking at National Weather Service data, we look at all networks here. You get a much larger variety of stations to choose from. So I'm going to zoom in here. So where I actually live is over here. It's a mountain called the Pinnacle, which is between this town of Abercorn and Fredericksburg and on the Quebec side of the border. Richford, Vermont's also very close to where I live. So you have these three stations, one here on J, one here right on the Missisquoi River near Richford, between Berkshire and Richford actually, and over here in Fredericksburg. And you'll see that the data here is quite different. You'll see the coldest temperature over here is in the mountain station. It's an elevation of around 2,000 feet. Here at the Missisquoi River is the lowest station right in the river valley, and this station here in Fredericksburg is on a little bit of a hill. Not as high as the mountain here, but definitely not as low as the river here. So this is just an example of how different stations can vary in their temperature based on elevation. The interesting thing about the Missisquoi River station over here is that it actually collects precipitation. And here what you'll see is two types of precipitation. The total precipitation for an hour and the event precipitation which represent the precipitation for the whole day. So on this scale, you'll see that it says that the precipitation for the whole day in red here is around 1.32 inches. And you'll see that's confirmed here by the actual hourly precipitation here. It's also about 0.14 inches. Okay, so depending on the station that you choose near you, you can have different values for the same variable. And in some cases, you have variables measured at some stations that you won't find at others. Okay, so choose your station carefully. This is the moral of the story.